Creating 2 columns of text in Squarespace is a great way to organize content and improve the layout of your pages. Here's how you can easily set up a 2-column layout. Log into Squarespace. Open Squarespace and log into your account. Select the website you want to edit. Navigate to the page. Go to the page where you want to create the 2-column layout. Click Edit to modify the page. Add a new section. Click the plus icon to add a new section if you're adding the columns to a new part of the page. Otherwise, move to the section you want to edit. Add the layout block. In the section editor, click Add Block and choose the layout block. Select the 2-column layout from the available options. Add text to each column. Once the columns appear, click on the left column to add text. Repeat for the right column. You can paste or type in your content directly. Customize the design. You can adjust the text alignment, font style, colors, and spacing by clicking on each block and using the Design tab to personalize the look. Save and publish. After customizing the columns, click Save to finalize your changes.